Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Shopify admin with biometric login, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Shopify admin panel using your credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the settings section located at the bottom left corner of the screen. In the settings menu, select the users and permissions option. Locate your user profile from the list of users. Click on your profile to access the details. Look for the Account and Logins section. Within this section, find the option for Biometric Login. Enable the Biometric Login feature by toggling the switch to the on position. Follow any prompts to ensure your device supports biometric authentication. Once enabled, you'll need to verify your identity through your device's biometric feature. This may include using fingerprint recognition or facial recognition, depending on your device. Make sure to follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete the verification. After successfully setting it up, you will see a confirmation message. Now, log out of your Shopify account to test the biometric login. When prompted, select the biometric option on the login screen. Use your registered biometric method, such as your fingerprint or facial recognition. If successful, you'll be logged back into your Shopify admin without needing to enter your password. Congratulations, you've successfully authenticated your Shopify admin with biometric login. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.